Konnichiwa engineers, a little tutorial here. This is going to show you how to update the C64. As you see, it's on and hooked up right here. I'm going to show you how to update it. It's real simple, really. You probably won't even need this video, but just in case, this is simple enough to do. First, you're going to need one of these, which is a USB stick. Mine is a 32 gigabyte USB 3 Toshiba. Next up, we're going to go to our computer here. This PC on Windows 10 here, so it'll be the same for Windows 11 or what have you, I imagine. Right click, go to Format, on our USB stick here, which we need, and you want it on FAT32 default. And I've set the allocation unit size to this default, just in case. And then I just label it C64. Label what you want. Make sure you untick Quick Format, and then do Start. You want to do this in advance because it can take a while when it's not Quick Format. The manual advises that you turn off Quick Format. So that's what would be the case. It took about 30 minutes, I think, on my machine. Get that going. Once it's done, it will say C64, so forth. Once that's done, then we want to go to retrogames.biz/the C64, which is the creators of the device itself. And this is where we'll get our upgrades. So once you're on the page here, go to upgrade the C64, and you'll have a download file here, which you'll see. Now what they advise is that you go into the actual program itself, the actual device, and check what version number you have to make sure that it's not the same version or something like that. You can't actually down version it, so to speak, at the moment. You can only upgrade, go upwards. But we download the file by clicking download, then we'll go download again. Once you've done that, you'll have it on your hard drive. What you do is you go into your downloads here, and you'll see the files there. It's actually still there. Right click, copy or cut, go into your memory stick here, right click, paste. This one date is what? Thursday is 27th of January 2022. That's the latest one, 161.bin. Put that onto your memory stick, and then we'll go over to the C64 interface. Right, so we're in the C64 interface. What we need to do is to go down to the spanner there. I'm just using the controller to do this. Go down to system information, and we'll see here what version we have. We can see that this is the default stock build. I only got this machine 2 days ago, so or yesterday actually, so 1 day ago. And the build is, as we can see, it is the 1.30 build, so we can update. So we get our USB stick, and then we're going to pull it into a slot on the whole C64 here. I'm just going to stick it in here. That's in. And what should happen, you might have to go back out for it to recognize that it's there. Go back out, system information, and you can see it's found the new firmware update. So let's apply it and hope that everything works. If it doesn't, I guess you'll just never see this video, and I'll just go and beat someone up after suing. Yeah, let's see how long it takes. It's pretty quick actually. Alright, so we're in. And it's updated. Easy. Let's check. You can see if I can even go onto the USB device here. But I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, I got system information. This thing is very clicky, so in case you're wondering, you probably know if you got the device. And we can see we now have the 161 update. Awesome. So if this helped you out, why not give the video a like, and hey, check out some of the other videos that's on the screen right now. And yeah, subscribe as well, it'd be pretty cool. And there's an unboxing of this available, and let me know other things that you want for this device, or any devices, PlayStation 5, Oculus, Meta, Quest, VR. We got all the devices, all the gaming things, with all the gaming things here. So let me know, and I look forward to seeing your comments and hearing if this surfaces to people and people actually need it, because it's pretty simple. You probably don't need it anyway, but you know, sayonara gozaimasu, I guess.